Hello, to reorder settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all let me show you, as we are for example using a lot of times the battery or for example wallpapers and style, and we can actually move some of these settings. We can change the orders of these settings, so let me quickly show you how to do this. First of all, you have to go into the Galaxy store right here, and you have to search for this application called Good Luck. You have to go in here and install this application. After that you simply open it. And from here we have plugins right here available, and you need to search for the plugin called Register, and it is available in this more plugins available list right here. You simply have to press on it and simply install it. Then you have to go in here, wait for the Register plugin to actually load in, and right now from here we go into the customize your settings home right here, and we go into the menu order and group settings. And right here, as you can see, we have the settings orders right here. Let me quickly show you. And now let's, for example, place this battery settings on the top, and let's, for example, also put the wallpaper and style settings also on the top somewhere here. Alright, now we have simply to press save button, and right now as we go into the settings right here, these settings have changed the order. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.